Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by washing the kale under cold running water to remove grit. Use 8 cups of chopped kale and remove all tough stems first. Pat the leaves dry on clean towels until they are mostly dry. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt evenly over the leaves to begin tenderizing. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for acidity and fragrance while you massage. Massage the kale for 2 to 3 minutes until it softens and reduces in volume noticeably. Heat a skillet over medium and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil carefully. Add 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs and toast them until they turn golden brown. Stir constantly for 3 to 5 minutes to prevent burning and ensure even color. Mix in 3½ ounces of roughly crushed almonds for extra texture and flavor. Season the crumbs with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for subtle spice. Remove the skillet from heat and let the topping cool completely on a plate. Place the massaged kale in a large bowl ready for dressing and final mix. Drizzle 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil evenly across the leaves for richness. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to balance acidity and whisk it with a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Pour the dressing over the kale and toss gently until all leaves are coated evenly. Stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for savory depth and texture. Sprinkle the cooled crunchy topping on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.